When the temperature drops and the snow starts to fall, the cats come out to play. Motivated by their passion for hard work and the pursuit of adventure, Arctic Cat employees are committed to building snowmobiles that deliver an experience that dedicated enthusiasts expect. Their commitment to this pursuit is built into their products and worn with pride across their chest, a statement to the world that everything they do is with purpose and precision, creating the ultimate snowmobile experiences for the riders that share their passion. Let's take a look at how they get these gnarly machines out onto the snow. On an average day, 4 miles of tubing will be cut and bent, becoming the components and assemblies on the snowmobiles. Producing over 4,000 weldments daily between robotic and manual stations, the welding area is a busy place. Using 11 of the same robots employed in the automotive industry, the snowmobile chassis are built. Self-piercing rivets are pushed through the full thickness of the adjoining materials. And the result is a 300% stronger joint, which translates to a stiffer and more durable chassis. 3,470 feet of racks run through the upper portion of the manufacturing floor. This is part of Arctic Cat's world-class paint system, where every steel component and many of the aluminum and plastic parts on the snowmobile are painted. Using a low-temperature paint system, most of the parts are painted using a 7-stage washing method, followed by e-coating process. The e-coat dip covers all the nooks and corners, which makes it ideal for corrosion protection. After the e-coat, the parts are cured, cooled, and passed through a booth where the powder paint is electronically applied. Once the parts have been cured and cooled one last time, they are ready to go. The heart of this beast is an 800cc engine that's built in Arctic Cat's world-class engine facility. Assembled from the ground up, each component along the assembly line is built with quality checks at each station. Mechanical, electronic, computer-controlled tools and rigorous quality checks ensure every engine meets the Arctic Cat's world-class standards. Once final assembly is completed, the engines are shipped to the assembly line. The engines arrive and are prepped in the pre-assembly area. Bar-coded carts are loaded with the parts needed to build each snowmobile. This pre-assembly cart will make its way to the main assembly line and will track along with each assembly step with the right parts just a reach away. The snowmobile hoods require an intricate assembly that varies from model to model. Using a rotating carousel timed to the pace of the snowmobile line, the hood assembly is completed. The finished hoods are then loaded onto robotic carts that deliver itself right to the assembly line. The production of this seat is a combination of high-tech automated steps and human craftsmanship. Starting out as rolls of vinyl, the materials are computer cut and hand sewn into the seat cover. The foam seats are formed, air cured, and ready for a base in vinyl. At 780 feet long, 1,500 individual pieces, 250 assemblers, and a unique feeder system, the assembly line is like a finely tuned symphony orchestra maximized for efficiency. The parts cart runs parallel to the assembly line, holding all the individual components you saw in the pre-assembly area and feeds the assemblers along the line. Up to 350 snowmobiles can be built in an 8-hour day. Now that equals a lot of snowtime fun. Every snowmobile that is run off the production line is run for 20 seconds to 2 minutes to ensure that it operates as intended. Making a quality product has many steps from development to delivery. And Arctic Cat has implemented innovative approaches to ensuring each snowmobile meets the demanding standards of their riders. From functional testing in their technical labs to test tracks and field tests deep in the mountains. When these tests are complete, these snowmobiles are ready to ride. The cornerstone to Arctic Cat's success are their employees that live and breathe the passion that their riders have come to expect. They hunt, fish, farm, and ride out of the facility's back door with the same products they passionately build. This blend of practical and technical knowledge is what makes them unique and is why they are so passionately invested in developing the best snowmobile experience in the industry.